Hi there, in this video I'm going to attempt to remove this plastic trim on a Skoda Octavia 2 from 2010. So you totally need to remove the other one to get to this screw and this screw, so that will be a separate video link in the description. Now let me undo the screws. And now start pulling on it, and these clips are really fun because they barely come out. This thing seems to be staying in there on this particular Octavia model, so this will not be coming, camera focus, coming out. There's a hole, but yeah, pull, do not damage your heating of the glass. Nope, it wanted out and it looks like this. But for me it's enough. I only need access to half because I'm running a cable for the camera, the rear view camera. If you need to do all of it, again, only this type of clips all around. So yeah, have fun. Starting to put this plastic back. Just make sure all the clips get aligned with the holes. Push it in there. Great. Now make sure this gets aligned with its hole, and we have another clip right here, and put this stupid thingy back in there, but I think I need to smack it a little bit with something, and it's perfectly in, so it needs to be smacked. Put back the screws on both sides, so yeah, the plastic is in. That's about it. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always see you in the next one. Bye.